very excited because I had the pleasure of flying across the pond, as they call it, and spending time shooting with one of my favorite YouTubers, CUPCAKE Gemma. Should I do a pop-up? I think I should do a pop-up.
Like from beneath?
My patented, yeah, I like to pop up.
Shall I pop up?
I'm sure you all already know her. I feel like there's a baking circle of YouTubers.
Baking circle of YouTubers sounds really cool. Like Illuminati, but
Why do you always go so dark?
Cake Illuminati?
Just gotta make sure you're low, and then I just sort of pop up.
Okay, I'll give it a
That's
go. Oh, I found a load of bowls here.
So I got to bake with Gemma, and on her channel, she's actually baking one of my recipes. We are both authors. Look how beautiful this book is. Cupcake is not her first name. Her first name is Gemma. If it was Cupcake, I'd be jealous. I'm so excited to make one of your recipes today for your Ferrero Rocher cupcakes. They are beautiful.
We love a Ferrero Rocher over here. I don't know about you, but they're a Christmas thing.
Oh yes, big Christmas thing. Yeah. I caked a giant Ferrero Rocher cake.
You caked it.
I cake like, everything.
Of course you do.
I just turn everything.
Things
there you go. This is a good pairing right here. I was in England because we went to Cake International, which is a huge cake show. I mean, it's in the title. Cake International. We've been invited for years, wanted to go for years, and we finally got to go. So for all the How to Cake It fans that came out to see us, thank you so much. It was great to see you. It was great to meet you all and chat with you all and sign books, and we can't wait to come back, right? I haven't really told him since we got back, so sir, a lot of people asked for you in England. And so then we hopped over to London and visited Gemma.
Of course, it is going to be packed with hazelnut and chocolate and deliciousness. And it's going to look really spectacular all in one, so let's do it. Right, we're using a freestanding mixer. I have tried making these by hand with a spoon and it does work, but it takes a while.
Yeah.
Got soft butter, super soft. We've got 125 grams going in. Now I know how you like a cup.
Yes, I like a cup.
I love a gram. I don't know what that is in cups. You're just gonna have to work it out for yourselves, or just get yourself some digital scales.
Yeah.
We have self-raising flour. Yes, 115 grams of that. Is that something you're familiar with?
Yes, we have it. It's harder to find. You can find it at bulk stores.
Oh, that's interesting.
But mostly it's all-purpose flour, and then we add the soda or the powder.
We've also got 10 grams of good quality cocoa powder, a good pinch of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda just to give it a little extra help. And that will react with the cocoa powder. We've also got, while you're shuffling through, 115 grams of caster sugar or granulated sugar if you can't find caster, and some soft light brown sugar as well, just the squishy stuff. Like, I don't know what that would be called in Canada or
We
in
call
America,
it golden sugar if it's on the light side, and then brown sugar if it's on the dark side.
I'm learning so much today, this is great. So we now have eggs. Here, why don't you take an egg and I take an egg?
Okay.
And we just crack them together.
We'll crack it together.
Oh, hang on, what are you doing?
I was gonna crack it in there.
Oh no, just go straight in.
Okay. Oh, we're taking risks.
Yeah, we're crazy over
I'll
here
do
in the UK.
All right.
Right. Oh, she's a counter cracker. Here.
And you're a bowl cracker?
I'm a bowl cracker.
It's okay. We can get along.
I see people do it, mix it for 30 seconds. I've got some hazelnut paste. Stop that, actually. I want to tell you about this. Hazelnut paste. You can see this stuff is really liquidy. So in it goes. And so we'll just keep that going, maybe a little bit higher. Keep that going for like another 30 seconds.
I brought you a little gift.
You did?
Yeah.
Well,
this is the mixer mate.
No, I was looking at this and I was like, what the heck is going on here? I guess what I'm gonna do here is...
It's intuitive. I know you know what to do, Gemma. Yes. And you can do it from the side.
Oh my gosh, that's insane. Look at that. That would have taken me like minutes before.
And dirty
before
fingers.
The spatula came
dirty
along.
fingers.
I like to spoon. I like to spoon. I like to spoon.
Oh, you like to dance and sing on your channel?
No, but
you just did
brought
such
it out
a
of
good...
me.
Okay, it's me. I'm sorry. How many recipes are in your book?
Over 90. There's a few recipes from the channel and like that exist out there already in the world.
Right.
And then about half of them are new.
The photos are amazing.
Even if you don't ever bake the cakes, which is obviously silly, go and bake those cakes. Even if you just want to have it on your shelf and like get it out.
I think it's a coffee table book, actually.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
We're going to bake these for 20 to 22 minutes.
All right.
Until they're springy on top, and that'll be that.
Go. They look lovely.
Thanks. We did that.
Well, you mainly did it. I scraped down the batter for you.
So we're gonna make just a regular buttercream, but it's gonna be hazelnutty with that lovely hazelnut paste. So here we have our lovely soft butter. We like to beat our butter for at least 5 minutes on quite a high speed.
Okay.
Really make it pale and fluffy.
And so after 5 minutes, I'll add half of the icing sugar.
Yeah.
Do you call it icing sugar?
Yeah, what do you call it?
Icing sugar. But in America, it's confectioner sugar.
Yeah.
And sometimes they call it 10X.
10X?
Yeah, I went on a TV show and they were like, what do you think of the 10X? Or let's get them some 10X. And I was like, what? Is there something I'm supposed to bake with that I don't know exists? 10X.
Why would it even be called 10X?
10 times finer.
Oh, right.
10X. I'm gonna just add.
how you cut
I
down
always
the
do
middle.
that. I do that when I'm adding dry ingredients, as if it will just stay on one side of the bowl, but I don't know why I do that.
Listen, it's like a visual cue for your brain.
Exactly.
And I'm here for it. Nice. Look at this. It's like Halloween.
This is really fine. My icing sugar at home is not this fine.
And then I keep that going for another sort of 3 minutes.
All right.
Just to make sure it's really, really whippy and pale. A lot of people ask us like how we get our icing so pale, and it's just time. So you do that, and I'll put the milk in.
Should
Oh,
I
you can
turn
leave
it off?
like- no,
Okay.
it's all good.
I'll just stay close to the edge.
Let's give it one last blast, just to mix all those little bits in.
I love the consistency of it.
Yeah, whippy. Whippy, floppy.
Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna take this right off and then do my
Yes.
scrape. What is wrong with me? You're making me nervous,
Oh,
Gemma.
I am very intimidating.
Okay, here we go.
We've made the buttercream. These are still probably a little bit warm, so I think we should go and get a cup of tea.
Ooh, I'm in England, aren't I?
A nice cup of tea.
Let's.
These cakes are delicious on their own, but I think that a bit of filling would be great. I'm going to take the middles out of the cupcakes
Okay.
with my trusty apple corer. This is the only thing I use an apple corer for.
I think you should call it a cupcake corer.
There's too many cuz.
True.
And if you can whip the cream just with a tablespoon of icing sugar and some of that lovely hazelnut paste as well.
Okay.
Just to a kind of soft, floppy peak.
A floppy peak.
Yeah, just not too stiff, but not too runny.
All right.
And I don't know about you, but when I'm coring cupcakes, I like to have a bowl handy so that I can keep my little nuggets,
Snack on
pop
them.
one in my mouth. Feel free to have one.
Thank you.
You just need to fill those up to the top. It's gonna be like a Ferrero Rocher, which is funny because that's what these are. Ferrero Rocher cupcakes. Ferrero Rocher is actually also very difficult to say.
Say it 10 times fast. You don't have to.
Okay, good.
Trust me.
So I like to just do a chubby blob.
A chubby blob.
I start in the middle, get a little circle on there,
Oh,
and then
okay.
just give it a little wiggle. It's really descriptive.
I've never really chubby blob.
Look, these chubby blobs are looking chubby and blobby and wonderful.
I agree.
So these just need to go into the fridge for like 10 or 15 minutes. We don't want to like chill them right down. We just want the tops to be chilled because we're going to dip them in chocolate. Beautiful. I'll just give it a little wiggly woo.
A wiggly woo.
And then I will, that's perfect, look at that. This is just melted chocolate, 54% chocolate, with a little bit of cocoa butter, just to stop it from going too hard, you know. I like to dip a little bit and then sprinkle.
That is a thing of beauty.
Well, I'm really glad you enjoyed that.
I really, really did. I'm so happy you had me here.
I'm so happy you came. Thank you so much for inviting yourself over.
Oh, it was just like it was a hop, skip, and a jump. You know what I mean? So next time you got to come to my studio.
Oh, yes.
Guys, make these cupcakes. I promise you, you will be far from disappointed. They are delicious. You just heard the recipe. We'll put it below in the description.
Don't forget, you can also buy the book.
Yes!
Cheeky plug.
Thank goodness I wiped my hands because this book is gorgeous. Oh,
That's Dane's hand.
that's your hand? You have a beautiful hand.
Hey.
Oh, he's ridiculously beautiful. I'm obsessed with it. I have a chat with Gemma and Dane on the couch while we eat cupcakes. It was a good day, Orhan. I don't know how I got this job. It's good though.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's worse jobs.
Every recipe in this book has me salivating, so I want to bake something else. Oh, sticky toffee cake. Should I change my mind? Nope, nope. Caramel pretzel cookie sarnies. Look at these. I'm gonna make this recipe. today. I'm going to make the cookie dough first. So for that, I need to add unsalted butter and brown sugar into the bowl of my stand mixer. Okay, while this is beating, I'm going to sift my flour, cocoa, and baking powder. Okay guys, I'm adding the eggs one at a time. Go in, hop in there. The yolk always tries to get away from the beater. Do you notice that? The yolk makes the beater chase it. Second egg. Okay, so now I'm going to add the flour. I need to chill this dough, so I'm going to scoop it out into this bowl. Now I'm gonna make the salted caramel filling. We already made salted caramel from Gemma's book, and now basically we incorporate the salted caramel into a filling. So to begin, I just need to whip this butter for 5 minutes until it gets light and whippy. Butter is looking nice and pale, which is what I want according to Gemma's instructions. Now I have to add half of the icing sugar, beat it for 3 minutes, and then add the other half and beat it for another 3 minutes. Now, all I have to do is scrape this down, and then I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of this salted caramel. We have our salted caramel filling. I'm just gonna scrape it out into this bowl. We are gonna put this aside, and then I'm gonna bake the cookies. So the dough is chilled, and Gemma says to bake 25-gram nuggets. How did I? Okay, that's 26. I can live with that. I'm sorry, Gemma. I'm sorry. So now I'm gonna press a pretzel on top, and she says it will slightly flatten the cookie dough. Bake for 12 minutes. Here you go. Orhan, can you carry this tray? Everyone say hello to the How to Cake It Hottie. Thank you, he carries trays. Let's go. So I've matched up the cookies in couples. So I'm gonna turn half of the couple upside down. And now I need to type a ring of ganache. Oh, that was terrible. That ring is square, because I should have held the cookie. Ring of salted caramel buttercream. Oh guys, I am like not doing a good job today. I think I'm too excited at the thought of eating these cookies.
I'm gonna eat like 4 of them.
Okay, I'm gonna make a coffee and eat them. Now I'm going to fill the secret chamber here with caramel. Guys, ooey and gooey.
It's giving goo.
And it's giving goo. Can we just talk about the beauty? The beauty. The beauty. Let's talk about it. Are you doing a close-up of my
I'm just
bite?
seeing how it looks. I'm not necessarily recording.
I should really hurry up and, close out the episode and say goodbye to you all. Then Helena can have the cookie. But before I go, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this. To Gemma, it was so great to visit you. I can't wait till you come here and visit me. Who wants to see that? Leave a comment below. Go on Gemma's channel and comment to her that she should come over here. Come in the summer, Gemma. Okay guys, so that wraps it up. Like I said, go give Gemma some love and then finally I can give Helena a cookie. Okay, and I will be back next week, next Tuesday. I'll see you, and we'll do some baking. We'll have some fun. What else are we doing?
Taste testing.
Perfect. Okay, see you next week. Eli, do you want a cookie? Come have a cookie, Eli. make a coffee, a coffee.